Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day today. Baby, where are we today?
We're in Miami.
We're actually here. I feel like in the last few videos, every single video, I'm in a different state. Right. Anyways, the reason why we're here today is because one of my friends here has his own vending machine business. But the interesting part about this is that he has a Lamborghini. So of course, today, you guys saw the title of this video, we're gonna be going out to one of his locations, go collect money in a Lamborghini. So hope you guys enjoy the video. If y'all do, drop a like, subscribe if you haven't already. Let's try to hit, I don't know, 5,000 likes. You think they can do that?
Yes.
But before we go, we're starving, so let's go find some food.
Let's go.
Let's go. Get out of the way. Alright guys, so right now we're actually outside the hotel. Check this out, look how nice it is.
That's not ours.
I'm just playing, it's not our hotel. Ours is bad, like you guys saw the hallway, it's pretty sketchy. I couldn't do it outside over there. We're gonna be meeting up with my friends soon, later on today in a few hours. Like I said, we first gotta eat breakfast, and are we gonna go to the beach later?
We are?
Are we?
Yes.
Are we gonna have time?
Yeah, we're gonna make time.
We're here for like 36 hours. So, guys, look how expensive Miami is. So look, a 20-ounce cup of orange juice, like freshly squeezed, $11. My baby got apple juice.
I got apple juice.
Baby, look how fancy these drinks are.
I like the straws, it's so
just,
pretty.
I mean, it's just a normal cup, but the straw. Wait, are they paper straws?
Yes, don't squish it.
What's up with every restaurant having paper straws?
Baby, you gotta save the turtles, okay?
Well, save the turtles.
Whiskey.
Guys, so I started recording because I thought the waiter was bringing our food. He was coming our way, and then at the last second, it just turns. Thank you. This is a lot of food.
This looks great.
It actually looks good. She actually copied me, so it's the same thing.
I told you I wanted this first.
Yeah, but I ordered it first though. Here it goes. Let's see how much it is.
Baby, what are you doing on the floor?
I'm asking for money.
Why?
Did you see how much we spent at the restaurant?
It wasn't that bad.
It was. Look, guys, check this out. So look, for the food, it was $35, right? We paid an extra 20% for the service fee, an extra 7% for sales tax, and then 2% for city tax. And then on top of that, the tip. So basically, almost every single restaurant here in Miami, you end up paying like 50% more of the food. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
I mean, I'm not complaining. I was just letting you guys know. Okay, so look, I gotta tell you something. So, you know how we came over here to make a video with my friend? He has a Lamborghini. We're supposed to go and fill up his vending machines, right?
Right.
I don't know if you knew this, but Lamborghinis only have 2 doors. I mean, 2 seats. I mean, yeah, they got 2 doors. But they only have 2 seats, so like...
Oh, baby, are you staying behind?
What do you mean?
I'll take a video of the whole thing.
Oh, so you're gonna go?
Yeah, I'm gonna
What about
go.
me?
What about you?
Oh, he's actually here. Let's go. Right there. Bro, what's up?
What up?
How you doing?
Good, brother.
Good.
Made it.
Alright guys, so this right here is Benji. If you want to let them know who you are and what you do.
Alright, so what up you guys? Thank you so much for having me on your channel.
Yeah.
My name is Benji. I'm a serial entrepreneur. I own an e-com store, Shopify. That's what I do full time. I've also been a vendor on and off since I was actually 15 years old. Yeah. I started my first route literally riding my bike around, bringing quarters in my backpack. My dad would drop off the machines for me, so I absolutely love vending. That's kind of how we linked up.
Yeah.
And I currently own a small route in the Miami area, and I'm trying to expand a really big this year, so I'm actually going to focus a lot of time on vending this year rather than just the e-commerce Shopify store.
You used to have a lot of locations when you were little, no?
Yeah, when I was younger, I had like 40 locations in the Wisconsin area. So
Dang.
40 locations. When I sold the entire route, literally a guy came over to my house on Craigslist. My parents were so freaked out, like, who is this guy? This guy brings over a wad of cash, and I told my parents, I'm like, I'm selling the route. They're like, are you sure? And I was like, I'm selling the route, it's gone. So sold the route, and now it's my passion, so I'm gonna get back into it.
Yeah, so you just started again. How many locations do you have right now?
Right now, I think I have 5 or 6. I got kicked out of one a few months ago.
Yeah, does it feel bad whenever you get kicked out? Because I've never gotten kicked out from a location.
It feels bad, but it's all part of the game. Like, since I was younger, I've had machines vandalized, get kicked out, whatever else. So
what happened?
I walked into the place, it was actually a spot, and it was actually a really good location. There was another machine there. We were kind of competing, it was all good. I came about 3 months to collect, or maybe it was 3 or 4 months after I dropped it off, and they told me, hey, you're out of here. The guy that was here first is not happy with you. I didn't argue. I said, thank you for, you know, the time, whatever. Took my machine and got out of there. So it is what it is. It's all part of the game.
It is part of the game. Also, something pretty interesting.
I did buy a Lamborghini 2 months ago. I've been working on it for years, and I finally collected my first Lamborghini 2 months ago.
It's really nice. What year is it?
It's 2015. It's a 610, so it's all-wheel drive. It has all the bells and whistles. It's super loud. It has a sports exhaust.
You also have another car, no?
I do have another car. Yeah, I have a G-Wagon. It's actually in the process of being sold right now, so I still own it. We also have a BMW as a daily driver, but this is the fun one right here.
That's nice. Can we check it out inside?
Of course, let's go. So one of my favorite things about this car is actually the interior. When you start it up, it looks like a little bit of a spaceship. You lift this up right here, and then press start, hold down.
Look at that. I mean, the whole inside literally looks like a spaceship. Like, check this out. I see you have gumballs inside already.
Yes, this is our, we are going to be collecting one of my locations today in the Lamborghini, so that's kind of the whole idea of the video. It's going to be really fun. I don't know if this has ever been done before, but it's going to be done today.
Today, it's going to be done. Collecting money from a vending machine in a Lamborghini. It's crazy. But also, before we actually go to his location, go check out his channel. I'm going to put his link down below.
Thank you, man.
Yeah, go show him some love. This is one of your locations right here.
This is one of my locations. Yep, it's a pizza parlor right on South Beach. Actually, I took a while to actually collect from this place one time. They said the machine was empty for months. So
really,
I actually collected this location about 20 days ago.
Yeah.
So we're gonna see. I don't know if it's gonna be completely empty or if it's only gonna be a little bit empty, but we'll see what happens.
If I had to throw a number, I'll probably say $50.
Okay. If I had to throw a number, I'd probably say 28.
28. Okay. So whoever is closer keeps the car.
Deal.
You only have gumballs, right? And
so yes, I only service gumball machines. It's all I want to do. Brian from the Vending Nation, shout out to him. He's the one that kind of taught me how to only stick with gumballs. So you can really spread out the collection periods because they really do not go stale.
Yeah.
They're super cheap to buy and they're just super easy to handle. There's no chocolate.
But yeah, so we have the gumballs, we have the commission. It's this one right here, right?
Yeah, it's around the corner. Yep, right around. It's the same building, but I have like the takeout area. So we'll go check it out.
So yeah, let's go inside and check it out. I guess we were way off.
We were way off.
What check is?
Like 50. Alright, so yeah, there we go. So how much was it? $6.
So we got like $6.50.
We were way off, way off. But I mean, it's not bad. That pays for like a gallon for the Lamborghini.
Yeah, it probably won't even pay to get over here in the Lamborghini, but that's not the point. We had fun, and Maybe last time I actually collected was after spring break. So
maybe
that's why it was super packed.
I thought it was so funny because you just said you were gonna put that in the trunk.
I walked to the front of the car.
And go to the front of the car.
This is the trunk. Everyone asks how many grocery bags does it to fit in this thing. And I'm like, maybe one. We go to Whole Foods and we literally have to pack everything, our entire week's of groceries, try to get it in one because it does not fit.
It's literally so small.
It's tiny. It's like obnoxiously tiny. So.
Yeah, okay, so I guess we're back in the Lamborghini. I'm gonna turn on the car this time. So it's just, do I hold it?
So lift up the red, like the spaceship. Lift up the red, hold it down for about 2 seconds and it'll start up.
Oh my God, I feel like I can die happy now. I'm ready. Literally the best part about this car is the sound that it makes as you're driving it. Like you don't need the radio, just listen to the car. No radio. The kick to it. So how long have you been self-employed then?
I've been self-employed officially for right around 10 years now.
Oh, 10 years? That's a long time.
Right around, yes.
That is a long time. How's it going? That's all it does. Alright guys, so this is the goodbye. Again, Benji, thank you so much. I'm so sad. I really love the car.
Are you gonna miss me or are you gonna miss the Lambo?
I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna be honest. I'm gonna miss you.
Oh.
I'm gonna miss the car too. It's my first time. Like it's gonna stay with me forever.
It's love at first sight. The first time I was in this thing, I was like, oh, I need it. Doesn't matter what it takes.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Next time you guys are here, we're gonna do some crazy stuff in Miami. But other than that, thank you so much again, Mom.
Yeah, again.
All right, see you, buddy.
It's so small. All right, see you later. Thank you again.
See you, bro.
All right, later.
Later, buddy.
We're back at the creepy hotel. You can't tell me this hallway doesn't look creepy. Look at this. You can't even see past it. If something happens to us, whoever finds this footage, please upload it on my channel. The password is... Early, baby, early. Go, early.
I am so down.
If this video gets to 5,000 likes, I'll go get a tattoo of a vending machine. Should I?
You should.
That would be so dumb. 5,000 likes, now do it. Baby, guess what?
What?
Look, I actually found a vending machine at the beach. Check this out. Wait, is this considered a vending machine?
Can you eat it?
You don't have to eat something from a machine.
Try it out.
It looks broken though. Let's see if it works. Oh, it works. It actually works. That's pretty cool. Free sunscreen.
Don't forget your face, baby.
I literally just had the perfect idea. So look, we buy 20 vending machines, we put them throughout the whole beach, and we sell slides, like sandals.
Sandals?
Why hasn't anybody done that already?
Does it even fit in the coils?
I think it does. Isn't that a smart idea? Putting like vending...
Where are you gonna connect them?
Oh yeah, how are we gonna plug them in? Test and test.
I have to tell you something.
What?
I can't go in without you.
Why?
Because we always go in together.
Yeah, but I was supposed to record you go inside.
I can't. It's too cool.
Is it cold? Cántale.
No me la sé.
Alright guys, look, so it's been about like 2 hours since we left the beach, right? I'm not gonna take you to the beach no more because look, we go into the beach, right? 10 minutes later, she's drowning, so we have to get out. And I was so mad because ever since we got here, I've been wanting to go to the beach right when we get there.
I wanted to get into, but you know I have a bad knee now.
A bad knee?
Yeah. I want to do that.
Yo, what's good everyone? Welcome back to another video. Hope everyone's having a wonderful day. Baby, where are we today?
Today we're in Miami.
I feel like, look, the past few videos, I'm